Alright, I've got this little tiny hole here that I need to fill with something, and I'm going to give you guys a little secret here. Get a little sawdust, and I'm going to add a little glue to it. Make a little sawdust paste, fill that hole, and boom. Let's try her out. Added my glue to the sawdust. Mix a little in there. So I'm making like a little sawdust paste. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, now we're gonna go fill that hole. All right. Okay, I'm gonna take my little sawdust paste, put it in the hole there. Just a wee bit, a little overlap. Okay, we're gonna let that dry, and I'll come back and sand it, and it'll be ready for paint. That's my little secret.